Hello, everyone. My name is Rayling, and we are Team LifeServer. And it is a pleasure to introduce our project Home Plus to you guys. There will be 3 parts in this presentation, and I will firstly give a brief introduction about our project, and Rex will give a demonstration to walk through our website, and Colin will introduce the tech stack we use, and lastly, DevOps will introduce the deployment of our website. Okay, so let's start. In our team, we mainly have 5 developers and 4 DevOps, and Rex is our team leader. Home Plus is a customer-to-customer platform which allows posters to post their tasks on the platform, and then tasker can search for the tasks from our website. Posters are able to post tasks and set budget for their tasks, and they also can accept, reject, cancel offers from the taskers. Taskers are able to search proper tasks and send an offer to the poster. And here is our workflow, and we will demonstrate it more in the next section. And our tasker is our main reference website. And now Rex will demonstrate our website to you.
Hi, my name is Rex, and in the next 5 minutes, I will introduce you how this application works. So on the homepage, you can see there are 2 buttons, which you can post your task for free, or you can become a tasker. When we scroll down a little bit, we can see here is the steps, and describe your task, set your budget, and choose the best tasker for you. So now we assume there is a user called Kevin, and Kevin want to post a task. And so Kevin just the end of his lease and want to find a cleaner for his house. So we just create in the end of lease. And choose the day for the task. And set a certain day, certain time of day. And before we type in any budget, we can just clear this. And we want us to key in budget. And also, we need to fill out any other information required. So, the house information and continue. The system will ask us to log in. After we log in, we can just continue our post. And just type in anything. Submit. And this post has been done. So when we switch to other category, we can see here in the second step, we need to provide different information for this certain category. And next, I want to show you how a tasker make an offer. So when we switch to our tasker site and get into this browse page, we can see here's the map and with the search bar and a filter. On the search bar, we can just search clean. And here's the result. So after that, when we use the filter, we reset it and we can use different category or different site range. Also, we can move this range and we can switch certain of the location to other cities, and also can zoom in, zoom out to see different distance what can we got. And once this tasker decide to click on the task, and we can see here is the details about this task, and we can just follow it or make an offer. And also we can have some comments here. And we already have an offer here. So with this budget, we can take it as a reference to make our offer. We can say 300 or other price you want and send any message to the client. Since we have an offer here, we can continue our task. So on the client side, we can find this task. and we can decide to accept it or reject it. And now we can accept it. And on our tasker side, we will receive the email, like what we just see. And when we want to complete this task, we can just go into the concept dashboard and click on the task, and we complete. And we can see the payment information here, and we type in our credit card information. And here we use the third-party API with the Lambda, AWS Lambda, to complete this transaction. And after that, we can just rate this tasker with any comments you want. And also, we use another Lambda function in our profile. So for this user, we can switch the avatar to other picture. So we open the picture and I crop it and wait for a second. And here is our new avatar. And next, I will hand it over to our colleague Colin to show you our tech stack.
Okay, thanks, Rex. Hello, everyone. My name is Colin. Today, I would like to introduce the technical stacks we used in our project. In the front-end project, we use React to build for the whole interface. Also, we use Redux in our project to control the data flow. The style components we use in front-end project helps us to build CSS styles. They all requires us having strong knowledge about HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Next, we use Stripe in our payment process. Also, we use Azure in our front-end project. In the back-end project, we write programs in Java and use the Spring Boot as the main framework. PostgreSQL is our database. We use the JOT token to enhance our project security. Lambda is the technology that we use to store data like pictures, just like what Rex showed about the avatar. We deploy our project in Amazon Web Service. Now, please let me hand it over to our DevOps teams to show you more details about this. Thank you.
We are thank you, Colin. Now please allow me to introduce the deployment part of our project. First, our web application HomePlus was deployed on AWS platform. We use Jenkins as CI/CD tool to implement the pipeline for both front end and the back end, so we can achieve higher and better front isolation. Regarding the networking, we created a VPC with 2 private subnets and 2 public subnets, and a gateway for multi-cloud architecture. For the front end, we deployed the networking through S3, CloudFront, and Route 53, and the ACM to grant the certificate to acquire high scalability and performance for the application. For the backend, we Dockerize the backend Java Spring Boot application and push the image to ECR. Then it will automatically run the tasks on ECS and Fargate for better managed service, and also can accomplish auto-scaling based on the different application loads. In addition, we use Terraform, the tool to deploy some cloud services to AWS platform in order to have a more stable and constant environments. Monitoring, we design a system by CloudWatch and Grafana to analyze our system. The next page, please. Yeah, this is a list of our mentors. Well, at the end, I want to say thank you to all my team members. We did awesome jobs here. Wish all the best in the future. And if you have any questions to our team, HomePlus, please come to our room later. Thank you.